Hey, AT from CNC at Home. I got a request from a fellow channel YouTuber. It's called The B3. It's some friends of mine, and they asked me to make a first place prize traveling trophy kind of thing with the laser for the Octoball game that we play up at Buck Frenzy. So I put something together real quick, nothing too fancy, threw it on the laser, and burned it up. So that's what this video is about. If you're interested in what the B3 does, they do some very creative things with Legos, and, well, you can see what else they do. It's very funny. Anyway, I'll put a link somewhere on the screen, in the comment, or the description somewhere. There'll be a link to the B3 channel. Anyway, enjoy another coaster. We'll be getting to something else here soon enough. All right, let's get to it.
Oh, there's a couple shots for Buck Frenzy. The prize that I came up with, or the traveling trophy that I came up with, is just a simple octagon shape that I worked up in Lightburn. And I put a number 1 in the middle, and it just says Octoball, and then on the bottom it says Champ. The one new feature that I was able to use that's in Lightburn, it came out the last version or a couple versions ago, is with the text. They've added a handle that you can grab, and it actually lets you bend the text around a curve or an arc without having to draw the arc. So it's really easy just to grab that extra handle, bend it around so it looked about right. Did that with the word Octoball and the word Champ, and made sure they were placed where it looked balanced. Super simple to do. Burned it out here, and this will go to whoever the winner is.
Oops. Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.